Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play King on piano. We'll start by identifying the core chords that form the foundation of the song. Then, we'll break down the overall structure, helping you navigate through the verses and choruses. Finally, we'll focus on the right-hand melody, ensuring you hit all the key notes. This step-by-step approach will make learning this powerful song accessible and enjoyable for you. Now, let's dive into the left hand. We'll work through the specific chord progressions for each part of King, ensuring a solid harmonic bass. It's crucial to maintain a steady rhythm, so pay close attention to the timing. Using a metronome can significantly help you develop consistent tempo and improve your overall musicality. Practice these patterns slowly at first, gradually increasing your speed as you gain confidence and accuracy. With both hands now familiar with their parts, it's time to combine them. Start by playing very slowly, focusing on the coordination between your left and right hands. Once you're comfortable, begin adding dynamics to bring out the song's emotional depth. Think about where to play louder or softer to truly capture the essence of King. Listening to the original track will provide excellent guidance for phrasing and expression. To truly master King, consistent practice is key. Aim for short, focused sessions, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes each day, rather than one long session. Recording yourself playing can be incredibly helpful for identifying areas where you can improve your technique or interpretation. Remember to stay hydrated during your practice sessions. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.